This is part 5 to the briefcase puzzle. In this video, we are going to finish our assembly. So in the previous video, I just brought in my third part. I'm going to mate this. Again, I'm going to choose that center middle face of this part. And I'm going to join that with the center middle of this part. Again, all this is made easier because of the way I originally laid my part out in the parts out in that studio, laying them all in the same plane and how they are facing. So the next thing I'm going to do is bring in my part 4, which is labeled 5 here. This is again somewhere where you can rename your parts if it's easier for you to keep track of your puzzle pieces. I'm going to choose that fasten mate. And I'm going to fasten that corner with this corner here. Green check mark. And we'll notice my fourth puzzle piece is in. I'm going to close that window out, open up my part 6. I'm going to place that. I'm going to come back to my fasten mate. I'm going to choose to go the center middle of that and fasten it with the center middle of that face. Green check mark and apply. And what you're going to see is my puzzle fits nice and cleanly together. There's no overlapping. They are all at the same level if we look at the side view of that. And my briefcase will close upon itself. And again, I challenge you to set limits on this in order to have that briefcase act like it's on a hinge according to the geometric rules. I realize I made this look easy. The best thing I can give you tips for is to orientate yourself every time you bring a puzzle piece in and have your drawing next to you just like I do, which will enable you to see how your puzzle goes together.